Hey folks, a lot of clouds overhead today. We did see some sunshine between those clouds from time to time, but for a while it was just overcast. We saw a couple of sprinkles, but nothing really even measurable in most areas, and for the most part it's a gorgeous evening out there. Now Future Track says clouds may stick around, might be some patchy fog late tonight, early tomorrow, but by afternoon we're back to that mix of clouds and sun again, and with that temperatures likely warming back up to around 80 degrees once again tomorrow afternoon. Another weak little front sneaks through late tomorrow into early Friday. It does about the same thing, nothing. Brings patchy clouds, and that's about it. It washes out as it goes through. So Friday, we're back to partly to mostly sunny skies again. And Saturday, much the same thing, although there'll be an upper air disturbance go by to the north of us on Saturday that could bring enough moisture in for maybe a very isolated shower Saturday late in the day, but kind of like today, much more mist than hit. Most areas stay dry. You can't completely rule out an isolated sprinkle in a couple of spots. Temperature-wise, here's where we stand right now, 77 in Harlingen, while it's 82 in McAllen, Edinburgh, 76 degrees in Port Isabel right now. Your lows tonight, about 60 or so, a little warmer at the coast, a little cooler in the west, 58 in Rio Grande City. There's that word fog showing up again. Patchy fog, very much a possibility again later tonight, early tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow afternoon with sunshine, temperatures climb back up into the low 80s in the west, about 79, 78 at the coast. And it should be a dry day across the area with that mixture of clouds and sun. Again, that average high for the end of November, early December is 76. We will stay above that. We'll be above that through probably Tuesday of next week, and then we'll probably see some changes, and those changes at this point look like they could be pretty significant. A pretty big change in the whole pattern across the country, bringing winter to a lot of the U.S. and cooler temperatures to us. Let's look at Texas tonight. It's a pretty quiet night. East of the state, some showers over to Louisiana, some clouds coming into West Texas. That's about it. Temperatures, again, remember a front just went through, and it's still 70 in Austin, 63 in Dallas, so this front not amounting to much at all here or anywhere in the state. Front moves off the map. Here comes another one that races through late tomorrow. Again, has little impact, so it's not a whole lot cooler, maybe a degree or two on Friday. Saturday, the next front washes out to the north, but there will be a disturbance sneak by. There's that disturbance that could trigger an isolated shower Saturday night, early Sunday, but again, that chance looks like it stands at about 10%. Here's a look at what's happening across Texas tomorrow. 7 a.m. temperatures in the valley in the 60s, 40s, and 50s across the rest of the state. Thursday afternoon planned somewhere in Texas. Dallas, still need a light jacket, 67 in the afternoon, about 75 in San Antonio. So for us tonight, partly to mostly cloudy, low of about 60, northerly winds, but just light. And then tomorrow the winds back to the northeast, back to 80. Those morning clouds will leave way to afternoon sunshine. Here you go, next 7 days, 80, 81, 83. I'm going to stand in front of day 7 just for a second, because look at this. Temperatures go all the way up to 87 on Tuesday, and then when I move, look what happens on Wednesday. Cheers. I hear cheers. Turning cooler. Timing's still a little bit up in the air, but it looks like sometime Tuesday or Wednesday, late Tuesday or Wednesday, we'll see the next front come through, and that one looks like it means business. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.